IRF. Duration, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Apply eye serum. Lift from the lower eyelid to the corner of the eye. Move the handle in small circular motions from the lower eyelid to the temple. Lift from the lower eyelid to the temple, and then from the eyebrow to the hairline. Face RF. Duration, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Apply serum to the treatment area. Move the handle in circular motions on 3 areas of the face, move upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. 40K. Duration, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Apply gel to the treatment area. Lift from the waist side to the groin, repeat, and ensure the entire treatment area is covered. Move the handle in small circular motions on the abdomen. Move the handle in big circular motions on the abdomen. Glide the handle from the groin to the waist side, and then return.